Hi, I'm Kurt Stonecker, Technical Trainer and Coordinator for IT Services here at Western Colorado University. As part of Western Colorado University's ongoing efforts to prioritize the health and well-being of our campus community, full-time degree-seeking students now have access to TimelyCare. TimelyCare is an online tool which offers students 24/7 access to mental health support and health counseling. This service is offered at no cost to students and allows you to select from a wide-ranging menu of virtual care options provided by licensed physicians and counselors. Timely Care is available in all 50 states. It's as easy as making a video or phone call. Some of the care options include on-demand mental health support such as Talk Now, as well as appointment-based mental health counseling, psychiatry services, and health counseling. Now that we know a little more about what Timely Care is, here's a short tutorial on how you can get started using these services. First, you'll want to follow this link. I'll leave it up for a few moments so you can copy it, but I'll also leave it in the description of the video so you can just click on it. This link will take you to the Timely Care login page. In order to start the login process, click the Sign In button. Take note of the Get the App button as well. Clicking this button will bring up links to the Timely Care app on both Apple and Android devices. Clicking the Sign In button will redirect you to Western Colorado University's Sign In page. Here you'll input your Western email along with your password and click the Sign In button. This brings you to Timely Care's account creation page, where you'll need to fill out some personal information in order to move forward, including your date of birth, gender, physical address, and contact information. Here you'll need to agree to the terms of service, and you can also choose whether to allow text message notifications. After completing your account creation, you'll be prompted for your medical history information. This section is a bit lengthy, but you won't be able to schedule a visit until it has been completed. The medical history section begins with some basic questions like your height and weight, then moves on to the lifestyle questions you see here. On the following page, you can use the checkboxes to clarify some past and current medical conditions. There's also a space here at the bottom of the form where you can identify other conditions not covered by the checkboxes above. After this page, you'll be given the option of filling out your family history if you feel it necessary. You'll then be prompted to add any medications you're currently taking. Here you can see some of the basic questions about medications. You'll then be asked to list any allergies you have. Finally, you'll be prompted to add information about your current physicians. That wraps up the profile section, and you'll be taken to Timely Care's homepage. In order to initiate a visit, left-click on the Get Care button in the upper left-hand corner. Here you'll set your current location, the state, and be given the following options. Talk Now for immediate mental health and emotional support, or counseling in order to schedule an appointment in the future. Both these will bring up a list of reasons for which you'd like to be seen, as well as an empty box for you to fill in any additional reasons. You also have the option of scheduling an appointment for health coaching. You get a list of reasons for your request here as well, along with a space to fill in any reason not provided. In all three cases, you'll be asked if you prefer a phone or video chat and a good number at which to reach you, followed by a page to confirm your visit. This concludes the Timely Care tutorial. If you have any further questions, feel free to submit a work order or give us a call at 970-943-3333. For IT Services, I'm Kurt Stonecker, and thanks for watching.